Here we have a problem on angle measures. Okay, let's go over the question. So there is a figure given here. In the figure above, measure of angle POQ equals to 55. Find each of the following. So the measure of angle POQ is given, that is 55 degree, and we have to find the measure of angle SOT, ROT, and measure of angle POT, measure of angle POR. Okay, here, so this angle measure over here and angle measure over here are vertically opposite angles and they must be equal in measure. So whatever angle measure we have over here, the same angle measure we have over here, that is 55 degree. So that is the measure of angle SOT is 55 degree. Now I got the angle measure SOT, that is 55 degree. Okay, now the next question is we have to find the measure of angle ROT. Okay, look at here. So here we have a right angle, and also this is the angle on the straight line QT. So already we know that the measure of angle on a straight line is 180 degree, and if this is 90 degree, then what must be the measure of this angle? So this one also must be 90 degrees. So that 90 positive 90 will become 180. That is the angle on the straight line will be 180. So the measure of angle ROT is 90 degree. So I got the measure of angle ROT, that is 90 degree. Okay, now I have to get the measure of angle POT. Okay, let's find the measure of angle POT. Okay, here already we know that this is a measure of angle 55. And what is the measure of angle over here? This is the angle on the straight line PS. So already we know that the angle measure on the straight line is 180 degree. If this is 55, and what must be the angle measure over here? So it has to be 125 degrees. So that when I add 125 and 55, I am getting 180, the measure of the angle on a straight line PS. So the measure of angle POT is 125 degree. Okay, now we have to find the measure of angle POR. Already we know that the measure of angle POQ is 55 and QOR is 90 degree. So to get the measure of angle POR, we just have to add them. That is 90 and 45. When I add 90 and 45, that is 145 degree angle measure. That is the measure of angle POR is 145 degree. Now I got the measure of angle POR, that is 145 degree. Okay, now I have found all the angle measures required.